Let's divide 470 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start dividing 470 by 2. First, we look at the digit in the hundreds place. We're going to use the digit 4, it's our first partial dividend. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. Awesome job, you're crushing this first step. We've got the first digit of our answer. Let's bring down the next digit. Okay, we have a remainder of 0 and we bring down the next digit 7. Our new partial dividend is 7. Here comes the 7. We combine it with our remainder to make 7. How many times does 2 go into 7? It goes in 3 times. Let's see, 3 times 2 is 6. Subtracting 6 from 7 leaves us with a remainder of 1. You're doing so great, keep that amazing energy up. We're on a roll, time to bring down the last digit. We have a remainder of 1 and we bring down the last digit 0. Our new partial dividend is 10. Look at that, we bring down the 0 and put it next to the 1, making 10. How many times does 2 fit into 10? It fits exactly 5 times. Let's check our multiplication. 5 times 2 equals 10. Subtracting 10 from 10 gives us 0. We have no remainder left. Fantastic work, you solved it like a math superstar. And that's it, we've divided 470 by 2. The answer is 235. So 470 divided by 2 is 235. Great job, everyone! We just tackled long division together, breaking it down step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be divided with a little patience and practice. That's all for today. Keep practicing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.